Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we are going to cover artificial intelligence tools and their applications that we are using in our daily lives. So this particular topic is very important for all the students who are preparing for their college examinations, as well as if you all are preparing for competitive exams, then this particular topic is also very important for you. So now let's just start the introduction of AI tools. So students, as we all know, artificial intelligence tools are some software applications that leverage some algorithms. They can also leverage machine learning. These tools helps us in leveraging the machine learning and data analytics to automate some processes like analyzing the information, generating some insights, etc. If we talk about artificial intelligence tools, they range from some simple automation scripts to complex systems that can learn and adapt over time. So here is the applications of artificial intelligence tools that include natural language processing, that is NLP. So NLP is one of the most important application of AI tool that says NLP tools such as we have some NLP tools like Open Artificial Intelligence GPT. We have another NLP tool like Google Cloud Natural Language. These NLP tools have revolutionized how we interact with latest technology. Also, they enable machines to understand. Remember one point, I am repeating the statement. Natural language processing enables machines to understand, to interpret, and generate human language, facilitating applications like chatbots, sentiment analysis, and automated content generation. So all these are done with the help of artificial intelligence tools, that is natural language processing. If we talk about utilities, so businesses utilize these tools for customer services, allowing for more efficient and responsive interaction with customer and the salesperson, or we can say business person. So this is the main important point, how natural language processing actually works. Under natural language processing, we have some example. As I have told you, its first example is Open AI GPT, that is language generation and understanding tool. Another is Google Cloud Natural Language that helps in sentiment analysis, entity recognition, and syntax analysis. Another example of NLP is Hugging Face Transformers. It says a library for various NLP tasks using pre-trained models. So these are three applications under natural language processing. Now let's just talk about second application of AI tool, that is computer vision. So computer vision is what? AI tools in computer vision includes OpenCV, it includes Google Vision AI, and enable machines to analyze and interpret visual data. I am repeating the statement. The tool of artificial intelligence is computer vision that include OpenCV, Google Vision Artificial Intelligence, and visual data. Okay, if we talk about OpenCV, open source computer vision library for image processing. So OpenCV is what? It is open source. That means it is open to all. computer vision library for basically used for image processing. Another tool is Google Vision AI. So it is image analysis and label detection tool. For image analysis and label detection tool. Next we have is Google Vision AI, that is also related to your visual data. Next point we have is TensorFlow and PyTorch. So this is what? This is deep learning framework that support computer vision tasks. So under computer vision, we have these four important tasks. All right. So these applications are crucial in the field of healthcare, where artificial intelligence systems can assist in diagnosing medical conditions from imaging data, or in retail, okay, where they enhance inventory management through image recognition. So all these tools are very crucial in all these fields, especially we talk about healthcare. All right. Next point we have is machine learning platform. So under machine learning platform, we have some tools that include, first is scikit-learn. It is a library for traditional machine learning algorithm. It is what? It is a library for traditional machine learning algorithms. Second we have is RapidMiner. It is data science platform for building models without extensive coding. It is what? It is a data science platform that is used for building models without extensive coding. Third point we have is Data Robot. Data Robot basically, it is basically automated machine learning platform. So you have to remember these names. It is what? It is Data Robot, that is automated machine learning platform. So these three tools are related to machine learning platforms. Okay. These tools are and used for developing and deploying machine learning models, and these tools democratize access to advanced analytics. It allows businesses of all sizes to harness the power of data. So this is how we use machine learning platforms. I hope students everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can clearly ask in the comment section. I will surely help you all. Next point we have is robotics and automation. एज वी ऑल नो अबाउट रोबोटिक्स एंड ऑटोमेशन, ये आज के समय में सबसे ज़्यादा यूज होने वाला टूल है. सो इट इज सिंपली नोन एज रोबोटिक प्रोसेस ऑटोमेशन. That is RPA, robotic process automation. It includes some tools like UiPath and automation anywhere, streamline repetitive tasks across various industries. So we have discussed this so many times that automatic tasks जो होते हैं, repetitive tasks जो होते हैं, artificial intelligence tools and their applications makes all those tasks very easier for human as well as for any organization, right? AI enhanced robots for being employed in manufacturing, logistics, and even healthcare, improving efficiency and safety. So robotics and automation is one of the most important application tool of artificial intelligence. Another we have is generative art and design. Okay. So under generative art and design, we have some tools like This is D, okay? That is Gel E and Runway ML. They are pushing the boundaries of creativity. These tools of AI helps creators to create some content, okay, and it is pushing the boundaries of creativity, यानी कि ह्यूमन एबिलिटी से बहुत ज़्यादा हायर लेवल पर क्रिएटिविटी ये शो कर रहे हैं. These AI applications can create visual art. With the help of these tools we can create visual art, we can design logos, we can generate music, enabling artists and designers to explore new creative ventures. So creative थिंकिंग अगर एक आर्टिस्ट को बढ़ानी है, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को इम्प्रूव करना है, सो जनरेटिव आर्ट एंड डिजाइन टूल के अंदर वी हैव टू इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज चैटबॉट्स एंड virtual assistants. Now students, if we talk about chatbot and virtual assistants, we have three parts under this. First is dialogue flow. Dialogue flow. It is Google's chatbot development tool. It is what? It is a Google's chatbot development tool. Another we have is Microsoft Bot framework. It is a platform for building and connecting the chatbots. Third point we have is RASA. It is open source framework that is used for building conversational artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are the chatbots and virtual assistants. That is one of the most important application tools of artificial intelligence. Next we have is data analysis and visualization. So under these tools we have three conditions or three points we can say. First is Tableau. It is a data visualization tool with some artificial intelligence driven features. Another is Power BI. It is done by Microsoft. ठीक है, Microsoft's business analytics services with AI capabilities. Third we have is IBM's Watson Analytics. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, आईबीएम एंड गूगल, इन्होंने अपने डेटा को एनालाइज करने के लिए, विजुअलाइज करने के लिए के टूल्स आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से डेवलप किए हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन. ओके, सो अंडर स्पीच रिकॉग्निशन वी ऑल नो some platforms like Google speech to text. Under this we have first गूगल स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट, जिसमें कि हम कुछ बोलते हैं और वो टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में टाइप हो जाता है. कन्वर्ट ऑडियो इनटू टेक्स्ट. अनदर इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज्योर स्पीच सर्विस. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज्योर आर है ये, ठीक है, स्पीच सर्विस, that is speech recognition and synthesis. Third we have is IBM Watson speech to text. So these three are most important tools or very famous tools created with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are the applications tool. As you can see here, IBM's Watson Analytics is used to analyze the data or to visualize the data. Similarly, IBM's Watson speech to text is used for speech recognition. So these are the AI application tools that we are using these days, and these tools are very commonly used. Okay, so I hope students everything is clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. I will surely help you all. Thank you so much and all the very best.